question whether or not if I was dead you'd be better. You think my shorty would be happy if I never met her? It's too late now, mommy, I could never forget her. Could never forget how she taught me to love. Cause my father and my grandmother is always above. It's glory above, you know that daddy taught me to thug. And every time we was with nanny, she bombarded me with hugs. Damn, I'm missing mommy and it's hard to believe that I'm grown and I don't understand it. Why did they leave? Better to die and sleep than never waking sleep. Then linger on and dare to live when the soul's life is gone. Stick around a while. I got a niece and my nephews, they need me round a while. I think they need me cause they hitting that age. And they ain't trying to speak to Lenny cause they spitting they rage. Yeah, and mommy speaking to Lenny, I think my brother need me. And we Italian so you know my mother love to feed me. And it's the little things you do for me to make it worth it. Like when I play a joint that we did and you say it's perfect. And when Jay got knocked, you knew that I was hurt. You told me put all of my heart in the song and it worked. I promised him that I'd be there when he got out the bang. You ain't raised me to be a liar, ma, that's not my thing. I told him that I'd hold him down the whole time that he gone. They kept him locked inside a cage, but that's cool cause he's strong. So mommy, keep that first letter I wrote you on the low. I think I wanna stay alive and see if I can grow.